up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the 2023 Dodge Charger RT Shaker. Never driven this one before, but basically it has a 5.7 liter V8 HEMI making 375 horsepower, 410 foot-pound of torque. But what makes this car distinctive to all the other Challengers is the hood. This one has a shaker hood, and in a few minutes I'm going to show you guys what that looks like and what it does to the engine. But just take a quick look at this thing. I mean, it's a beautiful car, looks beautiful in black. You have that shaker hood. Of course, this is a HEMI. You have 19-inch wheels with Brembo brakes, and overall it's just a beautiful car. You know, it has all the safety features. You have the shark fin antenna, keyless entry and whatnot. You have that very nice old school fuel gauge right there. This one has a sunroof as well. You have the shaker hood. And that front fascia, I mean, look at that. Very aggressive. I mean, it's just a thing with Challengers, man. It's just never gonna get old. Beautiful car. I have done full in-depth review on the Challengers before, so if you're looking into that, make sure you go to the channel. Be sure you're gonna find the other Challengers there where I do a full in-depth review. I'm not gonna do that with this one. I'm basically gonna show you guys the engine bay and the shaker system, and then we're gonna take it out for a drive. You know, maybe do some burnouts or donuts, and you know, what this thing is meant to do. All right, so let's take a look under the hood. Take a look at that 5.7 liter. We're gonna go ahead and pop the hood. And there you go, guys. You have a nice intake system right here, which also right here in the headlight, it fits air into the engine, basically into the air filter. And you have this opening with this scoop that is very functional. And you also have this badge right here that says shaker. I know the engine bay is a little dirty right now, but I mean, there you have it. And basically what shaker means, once you close the hood, the shaker protrudes the hood. And basically when you're driving, you know, the shaker moves. So it moves with the engine, and it's a pretty cool feature. I really like that a lot. But yeah, beautiful car. Can't wait to take it on the road. All right, so enough about this thing. Let's just take it out on the road and drive it and have fun with it. Let's go. And just so you guys know, the interiors of all the Challengers are pretty much the same. This one has the white gauges. You have the shaker insignia right there, but everything else is pretty much the same. But yeah, let's go ahead and drive this thing. Let's close the door, foot on the brake, hit that power button, and that V8 engine comes alive. Listen to this thing. Oh yeah. Guys, make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel, because the next vehicle that I'll be bringing to the channel is going to be a Hellcat. I'll be bringing a Charger Hellcat very soon, so you guys might want to stay tuned for that. So right now we're going to go ahead and drive this one, and yeah, we're going to put her in sport. Let's take her for a drive. Ooh. Let's turn off the traction control as well. There you go, traction control is off. Oh yeah, she's sliding. There's nothing like driving a torquey V8 engine. I mean, it's just perfect. The sound, the torque, the power. I love it. Can't wait to drive that Hellcat pretty soon. And I mean, you can just listen to the sound. I mean, this thing sounds amazing. Yeah, guys, I love driving Challengers and Chargers. Let's go ahead and step on the gas. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh yeah, this road is a little bumpy. Oh yeah, this thing goes. Yeah, if you're not careful, you can get in trouble just like that, because this thing, it pulls hard. You can also kind of hear the engine sucking all that air. You know, you hear like a small suction from the intake. Man, I love driving this thing. Now we're gonna pull out the Mavic 3 Pro and get some aerial shots of the Challenger doing some donuts and drifting. And just with the Challenger, you can have a lot of fun. For example, you can just turn the wheel and step on the gas and you can just drift just like this. Oh yeah, man, this thing is fun as hell. Alright guys, so that's it on this Dodge Challenger RT Shaker. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Peace out.